Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for this tutorial. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to create image galleries, which can be used for photo blogs or art blogs. But first, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you never miss a new video. To start creating our image gallery, we're going to style it in the CSS file first. First, we're going to create a class for the gallery and name it div.gallery. The reason this class has div in front of it while the other classes don't is because then this class will only apply to this gallery and not just any element that uses the class. Next, we're going to add a margin. After that, we'll add an optional border around the image. Then we're going to add this piece of code. It basically just lets the different images in the gallery be in a row. The last piece of code we're going to add is the width of the boxes that will be in the gallery. You can set this to whatever you like, but I'm just going to set this to 360 pixels. Next, we're going to start designing the images in the gallery. We'll create a class called div.galleryImage. Within that class, we're going to make the width 100% and set the height to auto. These settings mean that the image will fill up the entirety of the gallery box. After that, we're going to make a class for the caption underneath the photo. In this class, the first line we'll add is the font that we're going to use. I'm just going to add Roboto to keep with the theme of the website. Next, we're going to set the padding size to 15 pixels. Padding is basically like the margin inside the description box, and I'm going to add it to make sure that the caption is not right up against the edges of the box. After that, we'll just align the text in the center. Now, we're going to go to the HTML file and add some code there. The first piece of code we're going to add is the title. You can make this whatever you want. Next, we're going to add this piece of code. This piece just tells the computer that it should style the following pieces of code using the design features in the gallery class. Next, we're going to add a link so people can open the image in another tab to see a larger version. Target blank just means that the computer will open another tab, and we put the name of the image file after it so the computer knows which image to open. Now, we're going to put in the image name again along with the alt text so that our image appears on the main page. Then, we'll add the end tag for the link and add the caption. Now, I'll show you what this looks like in the browser. I'm just going to add some more images so you can see what it looks like with a full row, but it's still the same code for each image, only with the image file name changed. Now, we're all done the image gallery. In the next tutorial, I'll be explaining how to add hover effects. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial.